In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add taxes in Squarespace. This is an important task for anyone running an online store and wanting to manage their finances accurately. We'll walk through each step so you can easily navigate and configure tax settings in your Squarespace account. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Squarespace. Begin by clicking on the login button to access your account. If you've used Google to set up your Squarespace, you'll find it convenient when you click on continue with Google. This keeps things simple and secure, letting you bypass additional login details. Once you're logged in, locate and click on your website to ensure you're working with the correct site where you plan to set up the taxes. This can usually be accessed from your Squarespace dashboard where all your listed sites appear. Next, it's time to navigate to the settings. Look for the settings option in your dashboard. Clicking this will give you access to all the configuration tools you need. A tiny piece of advice here, make sure you're in the right project or business page as you proceed to avoid any confusion later on. After you're in the settings, look out for the selling section. Here is where all your commerce related settings are neatly organized. By selecting this option, you'll be on to the next important phase of configuring your taxes. Within the selling settings, you'll find the taxes section. Click on taxes. You're now at the heart of what we're tailoring today. This is where you'll set the tax rates appropriate for your services and products. Inside the taxes settings, hit add rate. Now you're about to add specifics to your tax configurations. You'll first select your country from the drop down menu. This ensures that the tax rate complies with your country's regulations. With the country selected, click on next. Here you'll add a name for your tax rate. It's often helpful to use a logical and recognizable naming structure, perhaps based on the region or tax type, to keep things organized and straightforward for future reference. Then type in the applicable country rate. This could be anything from a sales tax to a specific service charge depending on your business needs and location. You'll notice there are some toggles for optional settings. You can turn these on depending on how you wish to apply the taxes, whether it's inclusively or exclusively within pricing. Pay attention to these details as they could significantly impact your pricing strategy. Finally, once everything is in place, don't forget to save your settings. Click on Save to ensure all your configurations are applied and stored properly. It's a quick reminder, but arguably the most important step. Save your work to prevent any loss of data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added taxes to your Squarespace store. When you apply this, managing taxes within your business will become a much smoother process. Thanks for joining me in this guide, and happy Squarespace configuring.